Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to create a beautiful no makeup look, perfect for everyday wear, work, or casual outings. This look enhances your natural features while keeping your skin looking healthy and glowing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more natural beauty tutorials. Let's begin. Step 1. Skin prep. Cleanser, CeraVe, hydrating facial cleanser. A gentle, non-foaming cleanser with ceramides and hyaluronic acid. It hydrates while removing impurities, ideal for dry to normal skin. Toner, Pixie Glow Tonic, 5% glycolic acid. This cult favorite toner gently exfoliates, brightens, and evens out skin tone with aloe vera and ginseng for a natural glow. Moisturizer, Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Water gel, lightweight, oil-free, and packed with hyaluronic acid for deep hydration. Keeps skin plump and preps it for smooth makeup application. Sunscreen, La Roche-Posay, Anthelios, SPF 50. Broad spectrum protection, ultralight fluid texture. Doesn't leave a white cast and layers well under makeup. Step 2. Base makeup. Primer, Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer Plus Hydrating Primer. A 2-in-1 primer and moisturizer that smooths texture and keeps makeup in place. Tinted Moisturizer, Light Coverage Foundation. NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer, SPF 30. Sheer buildable coverage that evens skin tone and adds a radiant glow. Infused with vitamin C for added skincare benefits. Concealer, Maybelline. Fit Me Concealer. Lightweight, natural finish that covers blemishes and under eye circles without creasing. Setting powder, optional. Laura Mercier. Translucent Loose. Setting powder. Use a light dusting on oily areas to prevent shine while maintaining a natural skin finish. Step 3. Brows. Benefit. Precisely, my brow pencil. Ultrafine tip for hair-like strokes. Comes in multiple shades and blends easily. NYX Brow Glue sets brows in place without crunchiness. Gives a laminated, feathered effect. Step 4. Eyes. Mascara. L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. Lengthens and defines lashes for a fluttery, natural look without clumping. Step 5. Cheeks. Cream blush. Rare Beauty. Soft, pinch liquid. Blush in Happy. Lightweight, buildable, and blends like a dream for a natural flush. Highlighter. Subtle. Glossier Haloscope in Quartz. Dewy finish with skincare benefits like coconut oil and vitamin E. Step 6. Lips. Tinted Lip Balm. Laneige Lip Glowy Balm and Berry. Moisturizing with a sheer tint for that healthy, juicy lip look. Lip liner, optional. Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in Pillow Talk. Just a touch to enhance the lip shape without looking overdone.